Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review these Sistema to go containers. These ones, I got them because I want to add in my kids' lunch boxes yogurt or maybe dressing for their veggies. So I feel like these are great for them to carry them in their lunch boxes to school. So these are the Sistema to go, and these are like this. You will just close it and open like this. The size is super small, and it can fit like maybe a couple of tablespoons in these containers, and these are great for those type of things, either yogurt, dressing, or a dip that you want to add to your lunch to go. Okay, so it comes with in a set of 4, these with the purple lid, green lid. The other 2 is another green lid and the blue one. Okay, they have a space for you to tag them, so you can add the tag here or in the lid as well. It is the perfect size for the dressings or dips for your lunch or to pack to work as well.